Hello students, today we will learn how to create and set up a material. Let's start from scratch. Open Blender. Delete everything unnecessary from the screen. Switch to the top view. In the overlay menu, disable the grid and 3D cursor. Switch the viewport to render preview mode. In the world properties, choose a light background color. Go to the render properties and in the color management section, change the view transform option to standard. In this mode, the color will look better. All set. Now create a grease pencil object. Shift plus A, grease pencil, blank. In the object data properties, we have one layer. We need to uncheck the use lights option. If you leave this option checked, the layer will depend on lighting. Since there is no light in the scene, all colors will look black. Switch to draw mode. Disable pen pressure sensitivity. Increase the stroke strength to the maximum. Make the brush thicker and draw a line. Now open the material properties. We have only one available material and can see its properties. This checkbox in the stroke property means that our stroke has an outline. If you uncheck it, we will stop seeing the stroke. This does not mean it's no longer there. It just no longer has an outline. If we switch to edit mode, we will understand that the stroke is still there and we can work with it. Recheck the stroke box. Now let's create a couple more materials. The plus button adds an empty slot to the list, and the new button adds a new material to the selected slot. Rename it to green and select green for the outline. Create another material. Name it red and select red for the outline. Now we can draw strokes of different colors. Select the color and draw a stroke. Reminder, you can select the color in the Color Properties panel, in the Tool Settings panel, and in the right-click Context menu. If all your colors look the same, like black, go back to the Object Data Properties and check the Use Lights box. Maybe you forgot to disable it. Moving on. We can change the created material at any time. For example, select green and make it darker. Or change it to blue. All strokes that were drawn with this material will change color. Each stroke is assigned its material. Red strokes look red only because they are assigned the red material, and in this material's properties, red is selected. If we change the properties of this material, these changes will affect all strokes with this material. This is very convenient because after we finish drawing, we have the opportunity to tweak the color of the desired elements in one click by simply changing the material. Now let's talk about fill. If we need to draw a filled shape, then we need a material with fill. Let's create 3 new materials. Name them blue, yellow, and orange. Disable the outline in all 3 and enable fill. And select the corresponding colors. Try drawing several shapes to understand how fill works. Each stroke has a start point and an end point, and fill works relative to these 2 points. Fill closes the contour along the shortest path between the extreme points. Therefore, if you need a rectangle, it's enough to draw 3 sides. You can switch to edit mode and move the extreme points for a deeper understanding of the process. Such strokes are called open strokes. This will become obvious if you add an outline to the fill material. Let's enable the stroke checkbox on the blue material. Now we see that the sides of the shape are not fully drawn. Try drawing with a new material that has both fill and outline. You will see that now the contour needs to be closed if you want the outline to be along the entire perimeter. You can close any stroke by switching to edit mode. The selection mode doesn't matter. Just select any point on the stroke and press the F key. The contour turns into a closed one. You can do the same through the menu. Select the stroke, open the stroke menu, and select close. The key is, of course, more convenient. So remember the shortcuts. Another important point, you can change the material for any stroke. In other words, any stroke can be reassigned to another material. This option only works in stroke selection mode. Switch to it with the number 2 key on the top row of the keyboard. If you have replaced the top row of numbers with a numpad emulation, then you lost the ability to switch modes with keys. In that case, switch using the buttons on the main panel. So, in stroke selection mode, select the desired stroke or group of strokes. Open the stroke menu, then the Assign Material submenu, and select the material with the desired name from the list. The same menu can be invoked with a right-click in the viewport. That's all for today. To consolidate the acquired knowledge, try opening a new file and setting it up for work. Create a grease pencil object, add several different materials with outlines and fills, and draw your first masterpiece. See you soon. Bye-bye.